Exchange traded funds, managed funds, and index funds sound similar, slightly different. I'm here to help explain the differences. A managed fund is an investment vehicle where money is pooled together from multiple investors and then invested into a pool of assets such as stocks or bonds. Traditionally, you would invest in a managed fund by getting in touch with a fund manager and making an application for units in that unlisted managed fund. Managed funds are usually, but not always, actively managed. This means that a fund manager picks the assets that the fund will invest in with the goal of outperforming an index. An exchange traded fund, or ETF, is a special type of managed fund that can be bought or sold on an exchange like the ASX, in the same way you would when investing in shares. This is made possible by having the fund units wrapped up into a listed structure. Because you don't have to apply for the units, there's less administration involved in buying an ETF when comparing that to an unlisted fund. ETFs generally offer better liquidity and greater holdings transparency when compared to traditional unlisted funds. Index funds are funds that aim to track the performance of an index, like the ASX 200 or the S&P 500. Index funds are commonly called passive because they don't involve actively picking assets. They're usually much cheaper than active funds. Most ETFs offered today are passively managed, but there are a growing number of ETFs that are actively managed by a fund manager who selects stocks and seeks to outperform the market. Most unlisted managed funds are actively managed. However, you will also find many unlisted managed funds which are index tracking. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.